Alaska is somewhere like Italy, no? It's like in Italy, it's like here. Same.
I haven't been to Italy.
The only difference is too many mountain here.
Too many what?
Mountain.
Oh, mountains.
Yeah, but on Italy, a lot of mountain, but not like this one.
Oh, I see.
But the place, the land, like same man.